Good morning, student. I have friend 6I and 6J. First to third question I have explained, and I told that you try to do. First and second I explained, and I told that you try to do third, fourth, and fifth. I hope you have tried. But question number third A, you can see exercise 6J, third A. 8 mg as gram. 8 mg as gram. So as you know, mg is small unit and gram is big unit. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So if we are changing milligram into gram, so 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. So you can divide 8 by 1000, or you can multiply 8 by 1 by 1000. So you can do like that. 8 multiplied by 1 by 1000 gram. 8 1 ja 8. 8 by 1000 gram. You change in decimal. Here 3 0. Denominator has 3 0. So you can here numerator only one digit. So you can cover with 2 0 increasing before 1 0 2 0 and 8. And you can put decimal here 0.008 gram. 0.008 gram. Also you can put here 0.008 gram. You can say only 0.008 gram. Like that, you can do B, C, D, and E. But question number E you can see. Question number E you can see 29.17 gram. 29.17 gram as milligram. As milligram. So you can see gram is big unit, milligram is small unit. So if you want to change, as you know, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So you can multiply gram as by 1000. So it will be changing milligram. So 29.17 multiplied by 1000 milligram. After that, you can multiply by 1000. It will come 29170 milligram. Means 29,170 milligram. This is the answer. After that, you can do question number F also like that. Question number 4A, gram as kilogram. 4A, you can see. Question number 4A, 598 gram as kilogram. 598 gram as kilogram. So as you know, gram is small unit, kilogram is big unit. Here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So if you want to change this 598 gram as kilogram, so you can do like that. 598 multiplied by 1 by 1000. Now it has been changed. Kilogram is equal to 598 1 is 598 by 1000. You can change in decimal. Denominator having 30 by 1000. So it is very easy to change. It will be 0.598 kilogram. So if you want to change 598 gram into kilogram, so it will come 0.598 kilogram. Like that, you can do B, C, D, EF. Question number E and F same type. So you can see question number E for E. For E, 80 kilogram, 5 gram. 80 kilogram, 5 gram as kilogram. As kilogram. How you can do? You can see only this is given as 80 kilogram and 5 gram. Only change 5 gram into kilogram like that. 80 kilogram plus 5 gram means 5 by 1000. Because 1 kilogram is equal to, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So 5 by 1000. It is also, you can write in kilogram. After that, 80 kilogram plus 5 by 1000, it means 80 point, you can use that 0.5, or also you can write like that one step more, 80 kilogram plus 0.005 kilogram. Again you can write 80.005 kilogram. 80.005 kilogram. This is answer. 80.005 kilogram. So you convert gram as kilogram, 5 by 1000. So 0.005 will come. After that you can add with 80. So 80.005 kilogram. After that you can do question number F as same like question number 4E. So you can do question number 5A. Question number 5A. What is this? 3 ml as liter. 3 ml as liter. So 1 liter, this is measurement. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, or you can say in 1 milliliter is equal to how many liters? 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. After that you can change milliliter into liter. Milliliter is the small unit, liter is the big unit. So you divide 3 by 1000, or you can multiply 3 by 1 by 1000. Same thing. So you can do like that. 3 into 1 by 1000 liter. 3 1 are 3 by 1000 liter is equal to, we change in the decimal, it will come 0.003 liter. 0.003 liter. So if you want to change 3 ml as liter, it will come 0.003 liter. Like that you can do. You can do now question number B, 5B, 5C and 5D. Have D also you can do. As 5D, you can see like that. 5D you can see 85 liter as kiloliter. 85 liter as kiloliter. KL means kiloliter. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. Very simple. So you can change this. 85 liter as kiloliter. 85 multiplied by 1 by 1000 kiloliter, or you can do like that. 85 and 85 by 1000 kiloliter. You can change in decimal. So denominator has 30. So 3 digits should be here. So 1 digit you can cover with 0, 085. Here you can put 0.085 kiloliter. This is answer. 0.085 kiloliter. So you can change like that. And 5E and F same like. So you can do like that. E and F. 5E and F. You see. E and F 27 kiloliter 105 ml as kiloliter. So you can change kiloliter, ml. So you know already that in 1 ml 1/1000 liter. So you can change like that. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, but 1 kiloliter is equal to, so 1000 ml and 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1000 liter, and you can change 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. You change in milliliter, so 1000 multiplied by 1000. It will be kiloliter, change into ml. It will be after 3360. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So in 1 kiloliter it will be 10 lakh ml. After that, you can change this ml into kiloliter, as 1 ml is equal to 10 lakh. 1/10 lakh kiloliter. So you multiply, you can do like that. 27 kiloliter plus 105 by 10 lakh. 10 lakh. 105 by 10 lakh kiloliter. After that, you can do 27 kiloliter plus, you can change in decimal. Here only 3 digit as numerator, but here 60. So 30 you can cover with like that 105. You write. So 3 digit given, and this 3 digit you can take as increasing before 0, and you put point here. 0.000105. You can put 0 here also. So 0.000105 kiloliter. So you see here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, but 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So 1000 liter you change in milliliter. So 1000 liter multiplied by 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. You change this 1000 multiplied by 1000, it will become 10 lakh milliliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 lakh milliliter. After that, 1 milliliter is equal to 1/10 lakh kiloliter. After that, you can add together 27.000105 kiloliter. This is answer. 6J 5P. So this is answer of 6J 5P. And after that, question number F. What is given question number F? You can see question number 5 F. 1.003 kiloliter, 1.003 kiloliter as liter. So how you can do? In 1 kiloliter, kiloliter is the big unit, liter is the small unit. So 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So you can do 1.003 multiplied by 1000 liter. After that you multiply, so it will come 30 here. So by 30 decimal will go to 3 digit right side. So it will be 1003, means 1003 liter. So if you are changing 1.003 kiloliter into liter, it will come 1003 liter. Like that you can do. So this exercise has been finished. Self practice 6J has been finished. After that, problems based on real life situations involving decimals. Means problems questions will come as example 5 you study at home, example 6, 7 also you study at home. If you feel any problem you can ask me. And self practice 6K. Now it is self practice 6K. You see, self practice 6K. Self practice 6K as problem based question. 6K problem based question. A man walks in succession through streets of length 578 meter, 890 meter, 165 meter, 98 meter, 631 meter. Find how many kilometers he has walked. So you firstly add all the meters and you change in kilometer. So firstly you add together. A man has walked. A man has walked. You can add 578 meter, 578 meter, 890 meter, 890 meter, 165 meter, 165 meter, and 98 meter, 98 meter, and 631 meter. 631 meter. You can add together. So you add this 8, 5, 13 and 1, 14, 14 and 8, 22, 2 here, 2 carry, 7 to 9 and 9, 18, 18 and 6, 24, 24 and 3, 27, 27 and 9, 27 and 9, 36, 36, 6 here, 3 carry, 5, 3, 8 and 8, 16 and 1, 17, 17 and 6, 23. So 2362 meter. 2362 meter you change in kilometer. So you divide this 2362 meter divided by 1000. This is kilometer, because you know already 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, but in 1 meter 1 by 1000. So by 1000 you divide, as change in kilometer, it will come. I will take 3 digit from the left side, 1, 2, 3 digit. You put decimal here, because here 30, denominator has 30. You can take 3 digits from right side, 1, 2, 3. So 2.362. 2.362 kilometer. This is answer. So that man walked. So man has walked in kilometer 2.362 kilometer. Like that, you can do second question also. You do second question yourself. And question number third, you see. Question number third, you see. The external diameter of the barrel of an air gun is found to be 1.62 centimeter. So diameter of the barrel of air gun. Diameter of the barrel of air gun is equal to 1.62 centimeter. 1.62 centimeter. And the thickness of the metal is 7 mm. Thickness of the metal is equal to 7 mm. 7 mm means find in centimeter the internal diameter. The internal diameter. So internal diameter, thickness it is given. Internal diameter of the barrel of an air gun is found to be 1.62 centimeter. So that is external. Support to this is barrel. This is barrel. Barrel means gun barrel, as it is given thickness. It is given thickness of the barrel. This thickness of the barrel. This is thickness it is given. Thickness is given 7 mm. 7 mm. And this total diameter it is given. Total diameter it is given 1.62 centimeter. 1.62 centimeter. Asking question internal diameter in centimeter. Internal diameter in centimeter. It is asking question. So thickness you can see. Thickness is 7 mm. So you can take this 7 mm and this 7 mm. So you can subtract from the 1.62 centimeter. So firstly you take thickness. So you change 7 mm into centimeter. 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. It means 7 by 10 centimeter. You can write 0.7 centimeter. If you are changing 7 by 10 centimeter as decimal, 0.7 centimeter. So after that you can subtract here also. The thickness you can subtract. Thickness you can subtract. So what will come? That you take 0.7. So 0.7 into 2, 1.4, or you can take as 1.62 minus 1.4. 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 0.22. So like that, this is so you can now understand this, how you can do. Here you have changed this thickness of the metal 7 millimeter as 7 by 10 centimeter. Now you find out internal diameter. So internal diameter, here thickness is given 7 mm. So here also thickness you can take. This two sides thickness you can take. So 7 mm as thickness. This is thickness. So total thickness. Total thickness is equal to 0.7 and plus 0.7 centimeter and plus this one also 0.7 centimeter. This side means this is also 0.7 centimeter. Here also 0.7 centimeter. So 0.7 centimeter you have with 0.7 centimeter. After that it will come 1.4 centimeter. So this thickness I am taking two sides because this is diameter. You can subtract from 1.62. So you can find out that this internal diameter till here to here internal diameter. So internal diameter is equal to therefore internal diameter is equal to 1.62 centimeter as external diameter minus thickness. Thickness is total thickness is 1.4 centimeter. So 1.4 centimeter is subtract. So here 2 and 6 minus 4, 2 and 1 minus 1, 0.22 centimeter. So this is answer. External internal diameter is 0.22 centimeter. Like that you can try question number 3, 4, 6, 7 also. This is very easy question. Question number 4. Arun had 965.27 in the bank. He withdrew 209.98 rupees. How many money is left in the bank? So you can subtract from 965.27 minus 209.98. You can subtract this. Very easy question. Question number 5. So question number 4 do yourself. Question number 5. A jug containing 1.5 liter of water start to leak. Before I can stop the leak, 865 ml of water leaks out. Then I pour 1 liter of water. How much water is in the jug now? It is also a very nice question. You see, question 5. So question 5 and 6, 7 I will do in the next video, part 2.